Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Hello, this is Marko.
This is Ana.
We are Alisa and WonderBand, a band from Serbia that, in midst of other things, also does some Balkan music from Balkans in body music arrangements. Welcome to another workshop of new Balkan Rhythm. This is a workshop of irregular rhythms from Balkans, and we are going to learn it through a song from Bosnia, from Livno, called Mene, majka, jednu ima, which means I am the only daughter of my mother. And there are two rhythmic patterns, and the first one goes like this.
Clap, boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, boom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
So it's 2, 2, 2, 3 times 2, and in the end 3. So actually it's 9, but it's divided a little bit different than if it would be 3, 3, and 3.
Yeah.
So it's 3 times 2, and then once times 3. So these are the accents. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The second rhythmical pattern goes like this.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, ties, ties, stomp, stomp, chess, chess, stomp, stomp, ties. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. Bil, 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 bul, 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 bul. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. The words of the song. From the beginning, we start with bil, 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 bil.
Bull, 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 bull.
And I think bil, bil actually doesn't mean anything, but bulbul means a nightingale. Aj mene majka jednu ima, pa ima. So it's like, hey, I am the only child of my mother and she has only me. Let's say it's like a
Yes.
free translation.
Yeah.
So, hi, mene majka, jednu ima, pa ima. Find the words and a little bit about the song in the link below on our website, where you will find also the other workshops of new Balkan rhythm, irregular Balkan rhythms and songs that we teach here on our YouTube channel. And join us again for the next one and check out the ones that we had before. They were from Macedonia, from Albania, and from Bulgaria. And please do subscribe and like our channel, because it really means the world to us, so we can go on giving free content on our YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with us.
Yes, and bye.
Bye.